So those who have registered for Google for Startup School Prompt to Prototype, they might have got a mail regarding the login credential, like how to log in and how to attend the classes. And if you have missed any classes, how to see the recording videos and all, we'll discuss here. So if you scroll down, here is the login link. Here you'll get the username and password. You can reset your password using the forward password option. Your dashboard includes previous session recordings. Actually, it was started from November 28, right? So, those who have missed their sessions, they can watch this previous session recordings. So, before proceeding further, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I post the videos related to tech updates, internship updates, and free courses. And if you don't want to miss any update, just hit the bell icon. And they can also have access to upcoming live sessions, pre-reads and post-reads, assignments and hands-on exercises. And you will have full access to everything until December 31 and be eligible for certification if you meet the completion criteria. You will you will have access to this everything until December 31 only. And if you complete all the course, if you complete all the sessions, then you'll get the completion certification from Google. So now let's see how to log in. Just click here, login link. Here is the login page. Here you can log in. Enter your email here. Here the password. You can enter the password which they provided. After that, you can just change your password by clicking on forward password. Then click on login. So this is the interface which you'll get here. You can complete these sessions. So already 29 November session has already completed and 30 November also completed. So today is 4th December, right? So it will be live after 2 hours. So the class starts in 2 hours 51 minutes. The sessions which you missed like on 29 and 30, you can attend the recording session. So here you can just click on watch recording and you will be redirected to the recording page. Here you can watch the recording session, and after watching the recording, automatically your attendance will be updated here. In the live session, at that moment attendance will be updated. After watching your and if you watch the recording sessions, after watching the recording session, this attendance will be updated here. And next one is problem solving. So what is this problem solving? Problem solving is nothing but the assignments which you need to complete. So beside lecture you can see assignment. So for today's like December 4th, so as it is today, so they haven't unlocked this. So in the previous one we can see. So here you can see lecture assignment. Click on assignment. Here are 6 questions to be completed. So if you complete this 6 question, then here the problem solving status will be updated. And here essential to do. So earn your certificate. Let's see the eligibility for this.
So in order to get the certificate, you need to complete 4 out of 6 sessions. So there will be total of 6 sessions. From them, you need to complete 4 sessions. And also you need to pass all required quizzes. Means you need to pass all the required assignments. Then only you will get the certificate.
The next one is submit your prototype. Click here. So these submissions open from December 7, 9 p.m. So in order to submit the prototype, the submissions will start from December 7th. That is from 9 p.m. And what is the eligibility for this? So only learners who have met the startup school. Like you need to first get the certificate. That is you need to complete 4 out of 6 sessions and pass all the required assignments. Then only you're eligible for submitting a prototype here. So if you win this, what the benefits you will get? So build the future winner title and certificate you will get. One-on-one mentorship and office hours with Google AI experts, dedicated case studies and social media feature on Google channels, exclusive Google for Startup swag kit. So these are the benefits if you become a winner of this. Next, the key timelines. The contest will start on December 7th and submission deadline is December 31st. And finalist notification. Those who will get shortlisted, that notification you'll get on second half of January 2026. So I will make a detailed video about this, that is prototype, submission of prototype. So if you want to know about it, stay tuned for it. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other video from my channel, you can just drop them in the comment box. I'll reply for sure. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning.